One of my favorite celestial objects in the universe is a black hole. No, it's not mine. It's a quote from astrophysicist Regina Barber. Actually, I could say the same thing. In fact, anyone who is interested in space and has a curiosity about the universe can say this quote. The universe is already a mystery in itself. Black holes are another mystery within a mystery. We're talking about an object from which even light cannot escape. It's not just that. Even the smallest black hole has a mass of at least hundreds of thousands of suns. Moreover, we still don't know what lies at the center of these dark giants. I don't know about you, but I have other reasons for loving black holes. I'm going to approach this from a somewhat philosophical perspective because black holes teach us very important lessons about life. Lesson 1. Even if others do not believe in you, believe in your own potential. Because no one knows your potential better than you do. Even Albert Einstein, the famous theoretical physicist Einstein, did not believe in black holes. This information may seem surprising, but it's true. In fact, he thought it was impossible to concretely prove the thesis he proposed in the general theory of relativity that mass can bend space. However, his colleague Carl Schwarzschild proposed an idea about how mass creates this gravitational force. Schwarzschild asked himself this. According to Einstein's rules, what happens if space-time is bent by a massive mass that is compressed to occupy the smallest possible area? So we're talking about a point with infinite mass, a singularity. What is being described is exactly a black hole, because black holes have a mass concentrated at a point called a gravitational singularity. Singularity is in a black hole where density is infinite, and it is defined as the place where the density of matter mathematically goes to infinity. Einstein struggled a lot to prove this theory, but he was not successful. And in 1971, astronomers confirmed that the intense X-rays previously detected came from a star being torn apart by a black hole. So, this theory of Schwarzschild's, which even Einstein didn't believe in, has been proven. Here's another lesson we can learn from black holes. Never give up on believing in your own potential. Lesson 2. Keep an open mind to see the hidden truth in the depths. When we think of black holes, we immediately think of an insatiable appetite and a desire for destruction. These are entities that pull everything into themselves by gravity. But these same black holes are considered the building and blocks of the universe, because these objects located at the centers of galaxies play a critical role in their formation and evolution. A black hole that pulls in the matter around it triggers the star formation process within the galaxy. So, first impressions can be misleading. Just like black holes, people and events can be very different from how they appear. That's why we should avoid making quick judgments. Lesson 3. The unknown guides us towards new experiences. Black holes have captured the attention of the scientific community as one of the most mysterious formations in the universe. This frightening mystery has become both a challenge and a source of inspiration for scientists trying to understand them. Each new finding raised more questions, and this ongoing journey of discovery pushed the boundaries of science. Likewise, the uncertainties we encounter in our lives can scare us. But at the same time, it encourages us to explore new paths and gain new perspectives. Facing the unknown transforms us into more open-minded individuals. So whenever we encounter something unknown, black holes can serve as an inspiration for us to step out of our comfort zone and venture into that uncertainty. Lesson 4. Every ending is a new beginning. Black holes are actually born from the death of a star. Throughout a star's life cycle, nuclear reactions continuously occur in its core. However, at some point, the fuel necessary for these reactions runs out, and the star's core collapses under its own weight. This collapse triggers a tremendous supernova explosion. After this explosion, the remnants may collapse into a black hole over time. We can also see this transformation process as a symbol of extraordinary change and rebirth in the universe. When we think about the transformative role that black holes play in the universe, we realize that the death of a star actually signifies a new beginning, a new formation in the universe. This reminds us that every end we encounter in life is actually a new beginning, a new opportunity. Lesson 5. Even if we are unseen, it does not diminish our place and value in the universe. Black holes emerged within 1 billion years after the formation of the universe. Since the universe is 13.8 billion years old, black holes have existed for at least 12.8 billion years. However, we were only able to observe them just 4 years ago. No one had ever directly observed a black hole until astrophysicists captured this photo in 2019. That's how humans are. Each of us is a part of a cosmic story. No living being, no creature is superior to another. Just different from one another. It's these differences that make us who we are. Although black holes cannot be observed directly with the naked eye, they are very important formations for the universe. Just like them, every person carries a power, a potential within themselves. And aren't we all here to discover that potential, to understand it, and to express it? Maybe that's why we are so fascinated by black holes. Because they are also filled with mysteries. They are unique, just like us, and even if they are not visible, they possess limitless potential.